Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on a Honda Odyssey. Start out by opening up your glove box, and we're going to disconnect this arm right here. Just pick up on the glove box slightly, and then we're going to push on the very end right here and just pop it loose. So just pushing on just this little tab right there, the very end of it, and it pops it loose. And then if you look in the upper corner here, when I push in, you can see that the glove box gives. We're going to do that on both sides. I'm going to push it both sides in, and this allows the glove box to swing past these stoppers on both sides. And then behind the glove box, you can see the compartment that holds the air filter, and there's a tab on each side. We need to press both those tabs in and pull this outside cover off. So that's the tab right there. You just press in on that with both hands, pull it off, and you can see the old filter. You just want to get a hold of that filter and pull it out. And you can see all the grime on it, and got some pine needles on there. Take that filter and put it to the side. And then I got my new air filter, I just got it off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below what air filter you need. And you want to take your new air filter, and you want to take note of the airflow. I don't know if you can see it, but it says airflow direction right there, and the airflow is going down. So you want to check your new filter and see where the airflow arrow is going. And on your new filter, the hard sides go along these sides, and then the soft part is in the front. And then you just want to take it and line it up, and then go ahead and slide it in, and it'll come to a stop, and it should be completely cleared and flush on the front. And then we're going to take our cap and then just take it and place it back over the front, and you just want to make sure both sides are snapped in. And then from here you can go ahead and just take your glove box and press it back into place. And when you put it back up in there, you don't need to press the tabs. You can just push it and they flip in and clip right back in. And then you just want to take this little arm and line it up, and then press it back on to the glove box. And then take your glove box and shut it, and you're done. That's it guys, that's how you replace your cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.